Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. I hope you can hear me well. I am currently, as you can see, in my kitchen and I have the washing machine right below me going off as we speak. So today's video, I thought I would do a really intense, extreme deep clean of my kitchen. So I think if you guys have watched my videos before, I'll link it up here, but I have also done an extreme deep clean, entire house clean a few months ago, and it was like a 20-minute video, and I think that it wasn't as intense and extreme as I probably could have done it. So I feel like today I want to clean my kitchen, like properly deep clean inside cupboards, skirting boards, all of that, but I thought I would do just room by room. I'll do like a little mini series of me deep cleaning my house. If I was to do the whole house, A, it would take me a couple of days, and two, the video would probably end up being like 2 hours long and something you guys just won't want to watch. So that is what I'm going to get doing with today. I'm making myself a cup of tea to keep me going, and yeah, let's go on with today's video. If you like it, please give it a big thumbs up, please subscribe to my channel, I would love to have you, and yeah, let's get into the video. So the first thing I'm going to start cleaning then is my fridge. So first of all, I'm just going to take all the food out. I'm going to throw anything away that is out of date, and anything that needs to be used soon, I'm going to move to the front of the fridge. I'm then going to take all the shelves out and then give them a big wash, and then also go in with my Method spray cleaner and clean the inside of the fridge. Okay, so the next thing then that I'm going to clean in the kitchen are my kitchen cupboards. So as you can see here, I'm going to start with one of my food cupboards. So I'm first of all just going to take everything out. I'm then going to give the cupboard a really good clean, again with my Method spray cleaner. I have the grapefruit one, and it is honestly the best cleaner I've ever had, and it just smells insane and makes your house, well, kitchen specifically, smell really, really beautiful. And I'm then going to go and organise my kitchen cupboard. So I've got one of these little white plastic baskets, as you can see. I think I got that from B&M, and I think it was something like $1.99, and that is just where I keep all my spices. So I'm going to sit and organise this cupboard and then move on with all the other cupboards as well. So as you can see, I'm working my way around the kitchen. So I'm now going to start cleaning the surface and the tiles. Now the thing then I'm going to be using to clean my tiles, I'm going to be using a homemade mixture of bicarbonate of soda and a white wine vinegar. Now I did do a video on 8 ways to use bicarbonate of soda, like cleaning hacks, so I'll leave that video up in the corner if you want to check that out, and I'll link it down below. But it's just an equal amount of bicarbonate of soda and a white wine vinegar mixed together, and then using a cloth or a toothbrush or something nothing to really get into the grout, and it works amazingly. I'm then just going to go and wipe all the things down, like my pasta jars. My pasta jar was actually empty today, so I'm just going to sit and refill the pasta jar and yeah, just make it look nice and tidy. Okay, so as you can see then, I am using that mixture again of the bicarb and vinegar to clean the grouting. This is where I get the most dirty grout because obviously it's above my hob and we're cooking, so it gets a lot of dirt, grease, grime, extra food and things. So this technique and this method really does work well for getting the dirt off that grouting. Once I've done that, I'm going to go over again with my method spray just to get rid of any extra dirt, grease and grime. Now the next thing that I'm going to move on to is cleaning my hob, and now the products that I have very recently discovered to clean my hob is the Cif cream, and this is an amazing product. It works so well in lifting dirt, grease, grime all from your hob and oven as well. Once I have done that and really worked it in, I like to go over with a squeegee, as you can see here, and you can really see how much dirt is on the hob by wiping down that Cif cream away. Once I've done that, I like to go over again with my method spray just to make it look sparkling clean. Moving on to the next job then, I'm going to be cleaning my oven, and it is one of the worst things I hate cleaning. So first of all, I'm just going to take out the baking trays and put them in some fairy liquid with some hot water and just to let them soak. I'm then going to go in with that mixture again of the bicarb and the vinegar. It really, like I said, it really does lift dirt, grease and grime, and there's quite a lot of it inside your oven. So that mixture works really well in getting your oven nice and clean. I'm then just going to go over the front with a method cleaner again just to give it a nice shine. And then one of my other favourite products is this Cif stainless steel cleaner, and that just works really nicely in making the silver parts on your appliances really sparkling clean. I'm now going to go on to cleaning out my drawers. So as you can see here, I'm going to clean my cutlery drawer. Now for some reason, this is one of the drawers that just seems to get the most messy, and I'm not really sure why, because the only thing I put in it is clean cutlery. So again, I'm going to use my trusty method spray cleaner, one because it makes it smell beautiful, and two, it really does make everything nice and clean. So I'm just going to then go back in and put all the cutlery away and then work my way down the drawers. As you can see here, my utensil drawer is incredibly messy, so I'm just going to go through, give everything a clean and organize it all nicely. I'm now going to go and clean my washing machine, and then I'm also going to move on to cleaning the surfaces above the washing machine as well. So I am going to be using my Method Grapefruit Spray Cleaner to be cleaning the front of the washing machine, and I'm also going to use it as well to clean the other appliances, i.e. the dishwasher, the toaster and the kettle as well. And I will also use it to clean my bread bin also. So when it comes then to washing my sink, as you can see here, I'm just cleaning everything off the sink area so I can give it a clean down with my Method spray cleaner. When I come to actually washing the sink itself, I first of all like to use some washing up liquid and water to give it a base coat clean, if you like. I then like to go over with my Method cleaner again, just to make sure it's doubly clean. And then as you saw for the oven, my favourite products that I told you about for my taps and stainless steel is that Sif stainless steel. And I just spray the entire thing with that because it just really makes your sink taps come out sparkling clean. It looks almost brand new, and there's something so satisfying about seeing really shiny taps and sinks. Now moving on into the cupboards down below, the one that I haven't actually cleaned is my pots and pans cupboard, and that is because I have already done that. That was one of my tasks to do last week, so that is now organised. I just needed to clean the front. Moving on to my under the sink cupboard, I use this for all my cleaning products, and as you can see it was quite messy, so I'm just going to go through, throw away any old products that I don't use or that are nearly empty, and just reorganise it all so everything is really easy to find. Just there, that is my cleaning caddy, and I absolutely love it. I take it everywhere with me, so if I'm going to be cleaning the bathroom or a bedroom, I put all the products that I know I'm going to need into the caddy so I can take it easily with me. Now the last couple of things then that I need to clean is I'm going to clean my door. I'm going to go over with the Method spray and also use that on my light switch as well. Once I've finished doing that, I'm going to go in and give everywhere a really good hoover. I'm going to do along the skirting boards, underneath appliances, and just all over the floor, because having a child, they throw absolutely everything. So yeah, I'm going to go with a really nice hoover, and then I'm going to boil the kettle, put some bleach into the mop and start mopping as well. As you can see here, George is putting on some funny glasses on me, which he just loves doing at the moment. He's obsessed with these glasses. So yeah, as you can see here, I'm just going to go through and mop the floor. Once I have done that, that is pretty much everything done. So I'm just going to now go and get some air freshener. I'm probably going to light a candle and just leave everything to dry. And that is the finished kitchen. So as you can see, it all looks really clean. I've got some soup going on the stove over there for dinner this evening. All my cupboards are nice and organised, which just makes everything so much more easier, especially when you've got kids. You need to be a bit quicker and a bit more, organised with things because you don't have any time to be slow. It just makes it so much easier if everything's more organised. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed today's video. I'm not sure what room I'm going to tackle next. I think it's going to be the bathroom. So if you want to see that video, it will be on my channel next Tuesday. So thank you so much for watching today's video. If you enjoyed it, please give it a big thumbs up. Please subscribe to my channel. I would love to have you, and I look forward to seeing you in my next video. Thank you. Bye.